channel. If today is your first time of watching my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So today I will be making fish roll. Those are the recipe of my fish roll. I will be showing you one by one. Here I have 1 kilo of flour. Here I have 4 eggs. I have nutmeg. Here I have salt, baking powder. I have tuna. I have butter. Here I have mackerel fish, scubion. I have milk, 1 cup of milk. Here I have 1 onions and 1 Maggi cube. Here I have curry powder and rosemary. So now we start. Follow me, guys. Okay, we are missing it now. I just put butter, so I will be putting salt, nutmeg and baking powder all together. Now I have to mix everything. Today I'm going to use another method. Okay, now I will be adding my egg, 4 eggs. After mixing with egg, then I will be adding little by little. You have to be mixing it small. Okay, now I will add milk. Okay, I mixed my flour already. I have to cover it for at least for 15 minutes now. See you later. Okay guys, here are my mackerel fish. I mashed them already. You have to remove your bone inside. So those are the bone. I remove everything already because it's dangerous. So I just remove everything. So now I have to fry the onions with the mackerel fish together. I'm not putting salt here because I have salt in the tuna. So I will test it later before I will put salt. So now I have to turn the onion. Yeah. Turning. Okay, I'm having my mackerel fish. Now I have to add the tuna together with it. Yeah, tuna. Okay. Then I will be putting curry powder, a little bit rosemary. Okay guys, I will be adding half of Maggi because I don't want to use the 2 Maggi. I will be using half. Before I said 1 cube of Maggi, but I don't think I will use everything, so I just want to use half of the Maggi. Okay, now it's 15 minutes. Now I'm removing it. I want to start cutting the fish roll. Here my mackerel fish and tuna. I have to add a little flour here to roll the fish roll. Here my rolling fish pie. You have to roll everything out till we finish everything today. Okay guys, here are my fish roll. Then my fish roll. I have to let the fish to. Now we roll. You see? So here we have to cover. I have to cover, then I have to use a fork. Because of the heat, I'm doing it because of the heat, so that we get inside. Yeah, my rolling fish pie. Now I want to put it in the oven. It should be ready in the next 10 minutes. Yeah. I'm doing the second fry pan. Now this one I'm not going to be covering the pan. Okay, now I will put fish inside. Okay, before I close the tip, now I will be leaving this one this way like this. You see it? I'm not going to cover it. So the first fry pan, I close it. So this one I will leave it like this, but I have to put it first so that the heat will get inside. Okay, the second fry pan. This one is more smaller, the other one is more bigger. So, okay guys. This is the coming of my fish roll. This is hard coming of my fish roll. So nice, and I'm so happy I made it. Oh wow, it's so nice. Nice. Thank you guys for joining me. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have subscribed before. Thank you and God bless you. Bye.